Hello my dear friends, I hope you are doing great. I'm back again with another great English lesson. In this video I want to speak about a very important grammatical point. In this lesson I want to speak about can, could, and would. So guys, where do we use them and how do we use them? So stay tuned. Okay, let's start with the words can and could. Guys, we use the words can and could to ask people to do things for us. So for requests, we can use the words can and could. For example, can you wait a moment please? Or could you wait a moment please? Helen, can you do me a favor? Or can you please tell me how to get to the bus station? Or we can say, could you tell me how to get to the bus station, please? To be more polite, you can also say, do you think you could? Okay? Do you think you could? For example, do you think you could take me to the airport? Do you think you could? So don't say, do you think you can? We always say, do you think you could? Do you think you could take me to the airport? To ask for something, you can also use can and could. So we can say, can I have, or could I have, or sometimes we can say, can I get, or could I get. For example, you are in a shop and you say, can I have these postcards please? Or could I have these postcards please? Or for example, you are in a restaurant and you want something and say, can I have the menu please? Or could I have the menu please? Guys, may I have is also possible here. So instead of can I have or could I have, we can say may I have. For example, may I have these postcards please? May I have. We can also use can I and could I to ask to do something. So if you want to take a permission, you can also use the words can I or could I. For example, you are on the phone and you say, can I talk to Steve, please? Yes, can I talk to Steve, please? Can I use your phone charger? Can I use your phone charger? Or sometimes we can say, do you think I could borrow your bike? Do you think I could borrow your book? My dear friends, we can also say, do you mind if I? Or is it okay if I? Or is it alright if I, in order to ask actually to do something. For example, do you mind if I use your phone charger? Is it okay? Is it alright to sit here? Yes. Is it okay to sit here? We can also use can I to offer to do something. So for offering, guys, we can use can I. For example, can I help you? Or can I get you something? Yes, can I get you something? So my dear friends, to offer to do something, we can also use can I. To offer or to invite, we can use would you like, not do you like. So if you want to offer or if you want to invite somebody, you can use would you like. For example, would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Or would you like to eat with us tonight? Would you like to eat with us tonight? And I'd like, yes, I'd like is a very polite way to answer and to say what you want. So, my dear friends, use I'd like or I would like. For example, I'd like some information about the hotel, please. So this is a very polite way to say that you want something. Or for example, you are in a shop and you say, I'd like to try on this jacket, please. I'd like to try on this jacket, please. So this is a very polite way to say that you want to do something. Okay, my dear friends, let me test you. So are you ready? Let's get started. Imagine you are carrying a lot of things and you can't open the door and there is a man near the door. So in such situations, what would you say? What would you tell that person? So we usually say, could you open the door, please? Could you open the door, please? So if you want to ask people to do something for you, you can use the word can or could, but could is more polite. Could you open the door, please? Or imagine you have finished your meal in the restaurant and now you want the bill. How would you ask the waiter? What would you say in such situation? So we usually say, that's right, could I have the bill, please? Could I have the bill, please? So we use could I if you asked for something. Imagine there is a woman in the next room and she's playing a very loud music. She's playing a music, it's very loud, and you want her to turn it down. So what would you tell her? So we usually say, could you please or can you please turn down the music? Yes, could you please turn down the music? This is a very polite way to ask people to do things for you. Or imagine you meet a very famous person and you want to get his or her autograph or signature. So, how would you actually ask that person to give his or her signature? So we usually say, may I have your autograph or signature? Or could I have or can I have your signature? So this is a very polite way to do things. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly lessons. Have a great time.